Welcome to day 26 of the Momentum Blueprint. And today we're talking about one of the most powerful content skills you can develop, turning your struggles into content. This is where real connection happens. This is where trust is built. And this is where most people hold themselves back, even though it's exactly what their audience needs. Most people think they need to look successful, polished, or figured out to post content. In reality, people don't connect with perfection. They connect with honesty. They connect with struggle. They connect with progress. Your struggles are not something to hide. They are something to translate. Every audience is searching for someone who understands what they're going through and can show them a way forward. That's why struggle-based content works so well. It creates instant relatability. The simplest framework for this kind of content is this sentence: I was struggling with, and here's what helped me break through. That's it. That one sentence can create months of content. Think about the struggles you faced while building your business or learning digital marketing. Maybe you struggled with time. Maybe you struggled with consistency. Maybe you struggled with confidence, technology, overwhelm, or not knowing where to start. Those struggles are not weaknesses. They are proof that you're human, and human stories convert. Every struggle has a breakthrough on the other side, even if that breakthrough is still in progress. Content does not require a finished story. It requires an honest one. You don't need to say, I figured everything out. You can say, this is what I'm learning, or this is what's helping me right now. That's enough. Here's how to turn struggles into content step by step. First, identify the struggle. Write down the frustrations you've experienced. Be specific. Not, I struggled with business, but I struggled with knowing what to post, or I struggled with staying consistent, or I struggled with feeling behind. Specific struggles attract specific people. Second, identify the shift. What helped you move forward? It could be a mindset change, a habit, a new approach, or a lesson you learned. The shift does not need to be dramatic. It just needs to be real. Third, share the lesson. This is where authority forms. You're not sharing to complain, you're sharing to help. The lesson sounds like, here's what I learned, or here's what I would do differently, or here's what helped me. When you do this, your audience doesn't doesn't see you as behind. They see you as relatable and useful. Struggle-based content builds trust because it lowers defenses. People don't feel sold to, they feel understood. And when people feel understood, they listen. This type of content also gives you unlimited hooks. I almost quit because ... I didn't expect this part to be so hard ... No one talks about this struggle ... These hooks stop the scroll because they speak to what people are already thinking but haven't said out loud. You don't need dramatic trauma to do this very well. Everyday struggles work best. Feeling stuck, feeling overwhelmed, feeling unsure, feeling behind. Those are universal. When you share them honestly, people lean in. Another key point is this: your struggle today becomes someone else's breakthrough tomorrow. That's leadership. You don't need to wait until you're years ahead. You only need to be one step ahead of the person you're helping. This is why beginners often create the most relatable content. They remember the confusion, they remember the fear, they remember the doubts, and that memory is gold. Your action for today is simple and powerful. Grab a piece of paper. On one side, write down your top struggles related to business, marketing, or consistency. On the other side, write what you're learning, trying, or doing differently because of those struggles. Each pair becomes a content idea. You can turn one struggle into a post, a video, a story, or a conversation. Stop trying to impress people. Start trying to help them feel seen. When you do that, trust builds naturally. And when trust builds, results follow.